Ginger tea, crafted from the rhizome of the Zingiber officinale plant, has been revered for centuries for its potent medicinal properties and invigorating flavor. This golden-hued elixir, steeped in tradition and wisdom, offers a plethora of health benefits that span from soothing digestive woes to alleviating cold symptoms and promoting overall well-being. Ginger tea is not only a soothing and flavorful beverage but also a rich source of various nutrients and bioactive compounds that contribute to its numerous health benefits. When brewed from fresh ginger root, ginger tea contains essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being and vitality. Historical significance. Ginger tea holds a rich historical significance that stretches back thousands of years, tracing its roots to ancient civilizations across the globe. Its journey from humble beginnings to revered medicinal elixir is a testament to its enduring popularity and cultural importance. Historically, ginger has been cherished for its medicinal properties in traditional Ayurvedic, Chinese, and other indigenous healing systems. Ancient texts dating back to 5,000 years ago, such as the Ayurvedic texts of India and the works of Chinese herbalists, extol the virtues of ginger for its ability to treat various ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and inflammatory conditions. In ancient China, ginger was highly prized and considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity. It was used not only as a medicinal herb but also as a culinary spice and flavoring agent. Chinese herbalists prescribed ginger to treat digestive disorders, nausea, and colds, among other ailments. Ginger tea, known as zhangcha, became a staple in Chinese households and teahouses alike, cherished for its warming properties and invigorating flavor. Health benefits. Here are the top benefits of ginger tea. Number 1. Digestive dynamo. One of ginger tea's most celebrated attributes is its ability to alleviate digestive discomfort. Rich in bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogal, ginger tea stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, thereby aiding in digestion and relieving symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea post-meal can provide relief from these discomforts, promoting optimal digestive health. Number 2. Immune booster. Ginger tea emerges as a formidable ally in bolstering the body's immune defenses. Laden with potent antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, ginger tea helps fortify the immune system, protecting the body against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of ginger tea may reduce the risk of contracting common colds, flu, and other respiratory ailments, keeping you resilient and robust year-round. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory elixir. The anti-inflammatory prowess of ginger tea extends far and wide, offering relief to those grappling with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and muscle soreness. Gingerols, the active compounds found in ginger, exert powerful anti-inflammatory effects, mitigating inflammation and easing pain. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine may alleviate discomfort and enhance mobility, empowering you to lead a more active and pain-free life. Number 4. Soothing sip for nausea. Ginger tea emerges as a trusted remedy for combating nausea and motion sickness, offering gentle relief without the side effects associated with conventional medications. Whether it's morning sickness during pregnancy, nausea induced by chemotherapy, or motion sickness during travel, ginger tea serves as a natural and effective antidote, calming the stomach and quelling queasiness. Number 5. Cognitive enhancer. Ginger tea doesn't just invigorate the body. It also nourishes the mind. Emerging research suggests that the bioactive compounds present in ginger may exert neuroprotective effects, shielding the brain from age-related decline and cognitive impairment. Regular consumption of ginger tea may sharpen cognitive function, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 6. Heart-healthy brew. Ginger tea emerges as a heart-healthy elixir, promoting cardiovascular wellness and safeguarding against heart disease. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots, thereby lowering the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular ailments. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily regimen may promote heart health and vitality. Number 7. Detoxifying tonic. Ginger tea serves as a gentle yet effective detoxifying tonic, aiding the body in flushing out toxins and impurities. Its diaphoretic properties promote perspiration, facilitating the elimination of toxins through the skin. Additionally, ginger tea stimulates liver function and enhances bile production, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. By incorporating ginger tea into your detox regimen, you can purify your body and rejuvenate your system from within. Number 8. Aids weight loss. Ginger tea can aid in weight management as it greatly boosts metabolism and promotes feelings of fullness. Culinary delight and medicinal marvel. Beyond its medicinal prowess, ginger tea delights the palate with its warm, spicy flavor and soothing aroma. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, ginger tea offers a refreshing respite from the mundane, infusing each sip with a burst of flavor and vitality. Versatile and easy to prepare, ginger tea can be customized with a myriad of additions, including lemon, honey, and mint, to suit individual tastes and preferences. While ginger tea offers a multitude of health benefits, it's essential to exercise caution, particularly for individuals with certain medical conditions or sensitivities. Excessive consumption of ginger tea may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, heartburn, or allergic reactions in some individuals. Individuals on blood-thinning medications and those with gallstones or ulcers should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating ginger tea into their regimen. Ginger tea stands as a testament to the remarkable synergy between nature's bounty and human well-being. From soothing digestive woes to bolstering the immune system, alleviating pain, and promoting cardiovascular health, this humble elixir offers a wealth of medicinal benefits that have stood the test of time. By embracing the healing power of ginger tea, you embark on a journey of wellness and vitality, nurturing your body, mind, and spirit with each comforting sip. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video.